Top 5 Best Soccer Jersey Under 50. Best products for your lifestyle, handpicked for you. Number 5. Spectra Goalkeeper Jersey Padded Goalie Shirt 𝗕𝗓𝗏𝗏. Script: every time you dive for a save, your jersey should protect you, not hold you back. The Spectra Goalkeeper jersey is engineered with integrated padding across the elbows and chest, absorbing impact so you can command the box with total confidence. Whether you're a youth player stepping onto the pitch for the first time or an adult keeper competing at a high level, this padded goalie shirt delivers a streamlined fit that moves with your body, not against it. Unlike bulky alternatives that restrict your range of motion, the Spectra jersey features breathable, moisture-wicking fabric that keeps you cool through every half. Available in both youth and adult sizes, it's a versatile choice for goalkeepers who demand performance and protection in one sleek package. Number 4. DIBEI 2026 World Cup Fan Soccer Jersey Argentina, Brazil, Mexico, USA. The 2026 World Cup is coming to North America, and your wardrobe better be ready. The DIBEI Fan Soccer Jersey lets you rep Argentina, Brazil, Mexico, or the USA in crisp, bold colors that hold up wash after wash without fading or peeling. Whether you're tailgating before kickoff, watching at a packed sports bar, or just running errands on match day, this jersey delivers that authentic fan energy without the premium price tag of official licensed gear. The breathable fabric keeps you cool under pressure, literally, while the relaxed fit works for every body type. Compared to other fan jerseys that feel flimsy after one season, DIBEI uses reinforced stitching along the shoulders and hem, so it actually lasts through tournament after tournament. The screen-printed graphics stay vibrant whether you're celebrating a messy moment or a last-minute winner. Number 3. Icon Sports US Soccer Federation Licensed Game Day Shirt. Show up on game day in the Icon Sports officially licensed US Soccer Federation Game Day shirt and instantly stand out from the crowd. This unisex adult tee blends premium comfort with bold, authentic Federation pride, perfect for die-hard fans, tailgaters, and anyone who wants to rep their team without sacrificing style. Crafted from soft, breathable fabric, it keeps you cool during intense matches or casual hangouts. Unlike generic fan gear, this shirt features crisp, officially licensed graphics that won't fade after a few washes. The relaxed fit flatters every body type, making it ideal for men and women alike. Whether you're cheering from the stands or watching at home, this shirt delivers both performance and passion. Just note, sizing runs slightly trim. Consider going one size up for a looser feel. Gear up, show your colors, and wear your loyalty loud and proud. Number 2. LAIFU Custom Soccer Jersey with name, number, and logo. Your name on the back of a jersey hits different when it's actually your jersey, custom stitched, designed by you, and ready for game day. The LAIFU personalized soccer jersey lets adults and kids build their dream shirt from scratch. Pick your name, choose your number, upload your logo, and suddenly you're not wearing generic team gear anymore. You're wearing your legacy. The fabric breathes through intense matches, holding up wash after wash without fading or peeling. Compared to mass-produced replicas that crack and deteriorate, this one's built to last an entire season, or 10. Coaches ordering for full squads, parents surprising their young athletes, weekend warriors wanting that authentic club feel. This jersey checks every box. One heads up. Custom items take a few extra days to produce, so plan ahead before match day. Number 1. Adidas Kids Entrada 18 Jersey. Your kid deserves gear that keeps up with every sprint, slide, and celebration on the pitch. The Adidas Kids Entrada 18 jersey delivers exactly that. Lightweight, breathable, and built for relentless movement, it's the go-to choice for young athletes who play hard and play often. Crafted with moisture-wicking fabric, this jersey pulls sweat away fast, keeping your little star cool from kickoff to final whistle. The classic Adidas three-stripe design adds authentic team pride without sacrificing comfort. Compared to bulkier youth jerseys, the Entrada 18 feels noticeably lighter and more flexible, letting kids move naturally. It fits true to size and holds up beautifully through countless washes. One small note, it's a performance jersey, not a premium matchday kit, so don't expect reinforced stitching or elite-level detailing. But for practice, school teams, or weekend tournaments, it's unbeatable value. Thanks for watching Best Soccer Jersey Under 50. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.